Hello my lovelies, how are we all doing today? So I have some PI. It's not like me this to get so much PI. I am very appreciative of the brands for sending it to me. Ignore the way I'm looking. I am pretty much 90% sure I'm getting hay fever. My eyes are pretty pink, but they're normally quite pink anyway, but I've got the sniffles, so ignore that. So I got 2 PR packages today, so I'll go through the first one, which there isn't much to show you really, but so I got this mailer today from Lorealistar. So it's from Maybelline as well, so it's a new tubing mascara, but look at the attention to detail on that. So it says Sky Tubes, glossy extension like length. And I was reading the card whilst I was at my mum's and I was waiting for the other package because they go to my mum's house. And apparently the mascara is conditioning. So it says from the #1 UK's mascara, sky high length goes glossy. Yeah, that's what that means. I don't think I've got any Maybelline sky high mascaras. And it says 3 sec no tug removal, Olivia Atwood approved. Well, if it's good enough for Olivia Atwood, and somebody else I've seen using it as well, Soph. So I'll try and find the video and put it around here somewhere. Not actually the video, but you know, a screenshot of her using it. So I'm not going to show you the reverse just because it's got my address on, or at least my mum's address on. There she is again. Isn't she gorgeous, Olivia Atwood? It says again from the UK's #1 mascara brand, new lash sensational Sky Tubes mascara, sky high length goes glossy. Competition on. So it shows that, but you have to be quick because the competition runs from the 1st to the 30th. I've only got another week to enter really. And then this card, meet Maybelline's first tubing mascara, Sky Tubes, instantly delivering glossy extension like length, infused with caring shea butter and castor oil, leaving your lashes feeling conditioned and looking healthy, formulated to wrap around individual lashes, extreme amplified length. Okay, so this is the before shot. I'm trying to get as close as possible, and then the after is up there, and it does look like you can see a difference. And then it tells you how to remove it here, step 1 through 3. And then it says, our competition, you've been selected to join the tubing revolution and enter Maybelline's latest PR competition. Now, I don't expect to win, but it's all fun of like doing these things, isn't it? And then that is the mascara. Very pretty, very bougie packaging. Since we're going to be using it, I may as well open it up. Oh, wrong way. And let's have a look at the one. The one's traditional of Maybelline mascaras. So that looks like that. It's black. And I can't wait to get that on the eyes. I would put it on now, but I'm going to be doing makeup soon. But yeah, I'm going to be giving my overall thoughts on it. And again, with the other L'Oreal package that they sent me, with the hair care products and the Hyaluron-Tin and the skincare that they sent me, I'll be doing individual videos for them and letting you know my thoughts on those as well. So I just wanted to show you this today. I am very blessed. Thank you, Maybelline. Thank you, Lorealistar. It is very appreciative. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.